In this video, we're going to teach you how to use the drag and drop. First, let's create a new page. To create a new page, click Add New Page. Now, how do we name the page title? Just click and enter your page title here. After that, we need to choose a layout for our page. To do it, we just choose any of the provided page layout given here. To make it simple, just choose Clean for now. Then, click Live Edit to view the website. Let's open the side menu. There's few tools that you can use to edit your website, such as layout, modules, template settings, and visual editor. For now, let's try to select one layout. To insert the layout, just simply click on it and drag to your page. Just drop it when you see the arrow line that indicates the position. How to change image of the layout? Click on the image icon and upload your own images. You can also easily edit the text of the layout by just double-click it. Just drag and drop the layout that you like. If you prefer to use different icon, you can change it with a lot of other icon that you can choose from. How to remove or add a slot for your icon? Just click Subtract to remove and Plus to insert. Edit the text by just simply double-click it. As you can see, all the text are editable. If you want to remove the layout, just click on the layout button, then click Remove. How to create your own free custom layout? Use the Clean Container layout. Clean Container layout is a blank layout, so you are free to put any module there. As an example, let's open the Module tab. Let's try the text module. To align the text, just click the Align button on the top tools bar. The text need a title. Let's drag and drop the title module on top of the text module. Now let's try to add picture module on the bottom of it. To upload the image, just double-click it. If the image is already uploaded, just choose it from the uploaded gallery. Wow, the image is quite big. How to resize it? Just drag the end corner of the image to the size that you want. To align the images, just simply use the top tools bar. How to adjust the spacing between the layout? Click the layout button on the left, select spacing and edit the padding. How to insert your office address in your page? Select the Google Maps layout, then drag and drop it. You can edit the address using the Google Maps module button on the left. If you want to move your layout to different position, just drag and drop the layout, or just simply click the layout button, and click Move Up or Move Down. Go ahead and try different kind of layout. Once you've done, don't forget to click Save and view your own custom website. Nice website. Well done.